Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video with Coding with T. So in this video, we are going to create our remaining more option screens for our Gymnasia app, which include feedback, contact, and about us. So now, let's jump into the development section. So first, let's go to the screen folder and create a new screen with the name of feedback.js and create a demo function between it. Now, in the more option, copy this onBranch function and paste it on the feedback button and change its name as feedback. Now, on the generate screen, import that feedback screen here. As you can see, our feedback button is working. So now, let's just start designing our feedback screen. So first, let's import all the components which we need in this screen. So first, let's create a view for our text and give it some styling. So now, let's just create a radio button tag, and between them, we'll create 4 different types of radio buttons. Now let's just create one and paste it 3 times and change the name between it. Now after saving, as you can see, there are 4 different circles on the screen. Now in the radio we just have to put some text which we have to show it in front of circles. And after putting the text between the radio button, let's just create a state for saving the state of the radio buttons. As you can see, after creating a state, now we can select any of these radio buttons. And now let's start giving some styling to these views. Now let's just give some space after radio group and create a text input bar and give it the title and the styling. Now let's just create another text for character limit and give it some styling. And now in the last, let's import the touchable opacity button, give it the name and the styling. And now as you can see, our feedback screen is ready. Now let's just create our second screen, which is about a screen. For that, let's just go to the more screen option and copy this button and paste it and change the name with Contact Zorus and also change the navigation name. So now let's just go to the screen folder and create a new screen with the name of contact.js and put some demo data between it. Now on the general out screen, let's import the contact screen here. Now let's go to the contact screen and start designing our contact screen. So first we'll import all the components which we need in this screen. So first, we'll give some styling to our main view, and after that, we'll create a view for the image and give that image some styling and the path of that image. As you can see the image on the screen, but let's just give some styling to that view to make it more correct. After this, let's just create the two text input bar for your subject and the message and give it some stylings. And now, let's import the touchable button and give it some styling. Now our contact us screen is ready. So now let's just create a third screen which is about us screen. For that, let's just go to the screen folder and create a new screen with the name of aboutus.js and create a demo function between it. And now copy this function and paste it on the about us button and change the name of the navigation as about us. Now in general out screen, let's import that about us screen here. Now let's just go to the about us screen and start designing it. So first, let's just give some styling to our main view. After that, change this text as about us and give it some styling. After this, let's create another text to put your information between them and give it some styling. And now let's just import our image here and give it some styling. And in the end, let's just create two more tags for the address and give it some stylings. Now our About Us screen is ready. Let's just create a last screen which is privacy policy. For that, go to the screen folder and create a new screen with the name of privacypolicy.js and create a demo function between it. Now, in the general out screen, import that privacy policy screen here. Copy this nonsense function and paste it on the button of privacy policy and change its navigation name as privacy policy. And now let's start designing our privacy policy screen. For that, first let's just give some styling to our main view. Let's create our view for our header of privacy policy and give it some styling. After that, let's just copy this text and paste it and put your policy data between them. And now, as you can see, after putting my policy data, our privacy policy screen is ready. So now, let's see you in the next series.